What do you do when the job you once loved starts feeling like a cage? Remember those early days when work didn't feel like work, when you stayed late not out of pressure but passion, when you were driven not by deadlines but by curiosity. But now the joy has faded, your spark dimmed, and you find yourself asking, is this it? Here's the truth. You haven't failed. You've just lost grip. And guess what? That happens to the best of us. Losing grip doesn't mean the end. It means it's time to recalibrate, to remember what once set your soul on fire. Ask yourself, what did this job once mean to me? What impact was I proud of? What moments made me feel alive? Because meaning still lives there. It's buried under routine, burnout, politics, pressure, but it's there, waiting to be rediscovered. And here's something powerful. Love is the opposite of fear. Most people don't hate their jobs. They fear they've outgrown them. They fear change. They fear being stuck. But if you can shift from fear back to love, everything changes. So what's the antidote? Fall in love again with what you do, with who you do it for, and with why you ever started. Remember the honeybee. It thinks it's just collecting nectar, but in the process, it cross-pollinates flowers and creates a garden. You might think you're just doing tasks, but you're indeed creating ripple effects, changing lives, building futures, delivering happiness, even if you don't realize it yet. And if your workplace has gone cold, be the warmth. Start small, a smile, a joke, a compliment. You'd be surprised how far joy can travel. Turn your routine into play, gamify your day, add color to the gray, because when work feels like a game, people don't just work, they win. And when people win, magic happens. You don't need to leave your job to find purpose. Sometimes you just need to bring your purpose back into your job. So when you lose grip, don't let go.
Reach deeper. Ask why you do what you do. What's the meaning that I can give to make my work more joyful? Remember who you were when you started and become that person again. Wiser, stronger, better. Because your work isn't just what you do. It's what you bring to life.